Hey guys, this is Aaron. So you may have noticed that SketchUp 2020 is available for download and installation. We figured we'd make a video showing how to install it onto your Mac. So this is not to be taken as there's any difficulty or it's hard to install, but the installer is a little bit different this year than it has been in previous years. So we figured to make a video showing how to install and how it's a little bit different than what you may have seen before. So this is going to show Mac installation only. And before we even start, just a quick tip to keep you from stubbing your toe on something that I have. Before you install, make sure that all versions of SketchUp are closed. That can cause issues with the installation. And go into your dock and remove the existing SketchUp icon. When Mac shows the icon, it doesn't show any words or anything, it's just the little logo, and all the logos for different versions are the same, so it's hard to tell which is which. So generally speaking, I keep just the most recent version on there to keep me from accidentally opening an old version and having issues with file compatibility. So having said that, let's dive into actually running the installer. When you run the installer after verifying, it'll ask you to simply double-click the icon to install on your Mac. Now, you may have noticed already that unlike previous versions, there is not a bunch of different versions for different languages. There's one installer for all languages. So one of the first things you'll get prompted for is to choose the languages that you want to install on your Mac. Once the installation is complete, click Start Modeling Now. This will launch the SketchUp Pro 2020 welcome screen. From here, you have the option of adding a classic license, where you can type in both your serial number and authorization code, or enter your subscription information. This will prompt you for the email and password that you have associated with your Trimble ID. And at that point, you're ready to run SketchUp. Like I said, this isn't a difficult process, but there's a couple things that are different from last year, so we just figured we'd be proactive and let you know how it works. If you are running into any issues, reach out to the email address you have in your activation email you received when you purchased, or reach out to us via the forum, forums.sketchup.com. Hope you enjoy SketchUp 2020. Thank you.